How the Okay, so we're just not... Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this gorga day? Gorga, for those of you who are new, it means gorgeous. In my own language, in my own head. Anyways, you guys, I am so excited about today's video because I asked my best friend to make me a mystery box. My best friend happens to be Miss Laura Lean With It, Rock With It. But I basically asked Laura to create me a mystery box, and I was gonna create Laura a mystery box for her channel, and she uploaded hers, and honestly, I'm just scared because I kind of her up in her box. I think it's gonna be really funny to see Laura open that one. I can't wait to watch. I put some good things in there too though. So I'm a little nervous because I definitely wanted to like have some things in her box that would like kind of like that's what I did. And so I'm excited for her video to go up. Check that one out. I'll leave it, of course, linked down below, Laura's channel. But anyway, I asked Laura to make me a box, and you guys, we had like our own limits on each other. So I was like, okay, you cannot spend more than $500 and you cannot put more than 15 items in it because I'm like, girl, it will never end. And I got the box right here. So I got the box right here. I'm so nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I'm excited though to see what she packed for me because I know I her up. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. That. But if you guys do like this video, please go and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up, I'm MannyMua. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, let's go and get into this unboxing video, which I'm being scared. My bowels are about to have a movement because I'm nervous. Come on, IBS, you better work. Or don't. The fact that she drew a little pee-pee. Laura, you know I like pee-pees. You know I do. Ah! I'm scared. Laura fucking Lee. No, she did not. Ma'am. There's a story behind that one. We were on a brand trip, and Laura thought it'd be so funny to Facetune my hair and make me look like a golem. You fucking bitch. Woo, that is really rough. Wow, that was supposed to only stay on her phone. Yeah. I didn't forget you requested this, you guys. I requested Laura to make me, to make me my own, like, little, what's it called? Tie-dye. I wanted her to make me a little tie, because she made herself one, and it was so freaking cute. It was this gorgeous, like, blue tie-dye moment, and I remember seeing her, and I was like, I want one of those. This is so long ago, by the way, and I thought maybe it was just kind of fun for us to make it together or something, but she made me my own tie-dye blue moment. Thank you, Laura, so much. This is gorgeous. This is fucking gorga. It's stunning. Okay, where do I even start? I'm like my nerves. Okay, we have chips original flavor, potato puffed food. Delicious, delicious, delicious. How the fuck okay, so we're just not. Ah! She's a dumb bitch, dude. She's a dumb bitch. My heart's pounding. She's an asshole, dude. And I love it because I did the same shit to her. There's like one thing in there. It was basically like a box, like a wooden little box. And I was like, oh my God, this little jewelry thing is so cute. Because I'm trying to trick her to open it, obviously. And you open it and a spider jumps out of it. So I'm hoping I got her like she just got me, because she just got me like really bad. You guys heard that scream. A little fucking embarrassing that was. She's a bitch. Okay, I love her. Okay, anyway, I wish I could put a blue ice in the box to go with the candy. You guys, okay, so this is a so me and Laura and Tyler and Aaron, we are big movie goers, and like we haven't gone to movies obviously in months because of quarantine, and we always, when we're there, we get a blue icy and we get the sweet tart ropes, like literally every fucking time we go. And the fact that she got these, like, oh my God, that's so fucking cute. And she's like, I wish there was a blue icy in here. Laura, you are so sweet. These are fucking good. I want to be in movie theaters and eating these. And of course, some more candy, because we're candy fanatic. I have a sweet tooth, and it needs to be appeased at all times, or bad things happen to people. Yo, is this something else gonna scare me? Because I'm actually not ready to be scared again. All the products, makeup, See, the thing is, I would love if I could read her writing. That might be nice. All the products make up. All the products make up some of my favorites. I just wanted you to have. She's the best, most illiterate friend that I have, and I love her for it. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This cream is phenomenal. It is like the most gorgeous, like hydrating body cream. It's like almost like a body butter, but in like a really gorgeous like tub form. I'm actually gonna put some on right now because I literally love the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It is iconic. Oh, honey. Give me a little zhuzh. My heart's beat's finally going down, guys, by the way. That fucking anaconda jumped out of the fucking cheaps. The fucking cheaps. Next, this is not PR. I actually bought this. LOL. Should have just given you my PR. This is this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. Laura has an obsession with the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. She literally is consumed by it. She loves it. She loves to be like really dewy, and I'm more like, bitch, I'm oily. This smells amazing, and it feels so gorgeous on the skin. What do you guys think? Honestly, my makeup tonight, like I'm feeling very hot. But anyway, this is gorgeous. Thank you, Laura. I love this. I'm gonna like try it more, but I feel like it did definitely give me like a little bit of a dewiness. Oh, look at that fucking dew. Ew. A pelo, a pinchy pelo. Isn't it been there the whole time? Sick. Next, we have the Laneige. This fucking bitch. I love, this is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. If there's one thing about me, I need my lips to be I need my lips to be hydrated at all times. And the Laneige sleeping masks are incredible. I actually don't have this one. This is the apple lime flavor. I have another one of them, but it's not, it's like a berry flavor, but apple lime sounds divine. It sounds fine. Let me stop. I'm on a good one, you guys, if you guys couldn't tell. After the fear factor that just came into me, I'm on a good one. Anyway, we have this next. Laura loves Glossier like brow products. These are the Brow Boy Brow. Speak, sweetie. Get it out. Boy Brow Grooming Pomade. And the Brow Flick. You guys, actually really... I've been telling you guys, dude, I need to try it. I want to try it out. It looks so good. It's like a little brow flicking product that gives you like little brow hair motions, the Brow Flick. I'm literally putting this like right here. And I've been wanting to try the Boy Brow, and I've never tried it. And I feel like Glossier is one of those brands that like, at this point, everyone has tried her, but I haven't tried her. I have a brow product, and what am I doing? Ooh, that looks divine. Divine. Have you guys ever seen Legendary on HBO Max? It's stunning. If you guys like voguing, if you guys like that, like kind of like voguing, like cut, Legendary on HBO Max is, I don't even need to say it because it's so fucking good, and you guys have to watch it, or else I'm going to spank you. Okay, we have a fan. We have a fan. I love a fucking fan. This is her cat, Lou. This is actually her fucking cat. This is him. This is so fucking cute. Hear that? That's wind. Oh, I love this. I'm keeping this on my desk too because I honestly get so hot so fast. Like literally I'm probably sweating through my shirt. I hope you guys can't tell. If you guys can, don't comment that because it makes me embarrassed. Smart Color Art 44+1 blender. I literally have no idea what that means. What the fuck? Nope, they don't shake. What am I doing? This is the fine side, and this is the broads. What? We have mark, like 45 pack art mark. Oh my god, this makes sense. And hello, literally as I'm looking at this, we have, are you fucking awesome? I mean, you are fucking awesome. I have issues. And we have, you are fucking amazing. Bloom wherever the fuck you're planning. Make life your bitch. Take no shit. Fuck your doubts. Embrace your badassness. Whatever you are, be a good one. Stop dreaming shit. Start doing shit. I love this so much. And basically, she just got me a coloring book with markers to color them in. And I'm so excited for this. It just gives me vibes of like, I know Laura like made me read a book. It was called You Are a Badass, I think it is. It's like a really motivational book. And I loved it. And like, it's one of Laura's favorite books. And it kind of gives me this vibe where it's like basically just telling you constantly like you are awesome, and I really like that. And the fact that this is cursing, you guys know I like to curse. I'm a cursor. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. And also, oh, I just noticed actually an off-color adult coloring book for cat lovers. And I see a full-blown cat asshole, a castle, if you will. I'm dead. Laura's a cat lady, by the way, you guys. So this is like honestly kind of iconic. I put some cat stuff in her box as well. I put like a glow-in-the-dark cat, a cat hoodie, and this one really awesome product. It was basically like catnip marijuana rolled into joints. It's literally just catnip, but it's rolled into a joint and it looks like a little, it looks like a joint, but it's catnip. Do you think my cat smoked? Next. You're lying. Remember when you told me you got something crazy and I had to open it? I knew then that we got each other the same thing. You have to open it on camera. It says... Okay, literally, if this shoots out again, I'm prepared. It says bigassdildos.com. Thank you and come again. I've never owned a dildo in my life. Okay, this... Is it a butterfly? You've been pranked. You really are. Or you just really love dildos. Laura, I've never even owned one. Who could have done it? It's the son of a bitch. This is literally the fucking funniest thing I've ever seen. Get a free revenge mailing prank included, making them sign for it in person. The fact that this literally looks like this. So getting this from the mail is kind of iconic because it's literally like, hey, here's your big ass dildo. Hey, I'm literally weak. I actually thought there was literally gonna be here, but it was kind of light, but I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna go. Let's fucking go! That was hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. I was scared somebody was gonna scare me again because you already got me their birthday. Next, the YSL 85 Rouge Pure Couture Nude Fitting. Let me stop. It's a gorgeous YSL lipstick though, stunning. Oh, and it's like a nude, it's like a berry nude shade. This is definitely, oh, it's stunning. Stunning. Oh, that's really pretty, Laura. What the fuck? And it's YSL. Oh, it smells rich. It smells so rich. Anyway, okay, guys, we're down to the last one. This is the last but not least certainly product. Remember when you almost pooped your pants in my car? We needed these. Shark wipes. Well, I never thought I was gonna even tell the story.
I almost shit myself.
So I was in Laura's Porsche once, and we were driving, and I told Laura, pull over now or I'm gonna shit my pants. I will shit all over your car. And she started laughing so fucking hard that she almost like crashed the car. And so I'm like, no, Laura, I'm like being dead serious. And I'm like literally looking, I'm like, Laura, you don't understand. Like, I'm holding on for dear life. It's at the cusp. You have to stop right now. Stop at that fucking Taco Bell right now. So we drove over, we went to Taco Bell. I go up to Taco Bell, try to open the door. It's locked. And they're like, sorry, we don't let people come into the bathroom. It's locked. And I'm like, I'm about to shit my fucking pants out here. And I literally said that. I'm like, I'm gonna shit my pants. And they're like, fuck Taco Bell, man. Right back into the car, we made it to McDonald's and I made it, and I obviously, we don't need the visual. We don't need the visual. Things happened and I made it. That's the real importance. I made it to the bathroom and I didn't have to shit in her Porsche. So we have shark wipes. Low key, I kind of love this. I've shit my pants once before and I don't want it to ever happen ever again. Are they not real? Maybe they're not real. Did I just open it? They're real! I smell nothing. Great, at least they don't smell like sharks. And that is it for my mystery box that my best friend made me. I am so happy and just fucking dying at this box. This is like the funniest fucking unboxing I've ever done. Truly, this is iconic. Laura, you fucking bitch. I can't believe I just told my shark story in your car. Yeah, you're a demon for that one, dude. Demon time for sure. I'm gonna call Laura Lee right now. She gonna get Laura Lee? The fact that you gave me shark wipes, I almost wanted to slap you.
Do you remember?
I just told the whole story.
You were literally screaming and holding your butt.
It's not true, guys. It's not true.
It is.
It's not. That can of chips scared the fuck out of me.
See, that's what I thought you got me.
Oh, that's what you thought I got you?
What was your favorite thing?
The hoodie you made me.
Yeah.
Because it's so cute and it's like obviously like something I have been wanting since you were like so good at them. I really, really wanted it. So I really appreciate you giving it to me.
How about the picture that was on the inside?
The fucking photo on the inside? That photo of me is just horrible.
I know. That's why you know I love it. I printed it out for me.
Ty's an idiot.
So did the glitter
I'm
bomb
dead.
go off?
A glitter bomb?
Manny.
What are you
did
talking
not
about?
Open the dildo thing?
I did, but there's no glitter in it.
What was in it?
What's in it?
You open it up and it has the little paper.
Okay, we're getting our money back.
There was supposed to be a glitter bomb in there? Fuck! I'm so happy it wasn't in it. That would have fucking destroyed me.
I hate you.
I had so much fun creating this. As you guys know, I'm like on a really good mystery box kick right now, and I love mystery box unboxing. And I actually have my next box coming from a follower of mine. It's coming from Ireland, so I have an Ireland mystery box coming very, very, very soon, and I'm so excited about it because I think it's gonna be fantastic. But this is so awesome. Thank you so much, Laura, for doing this video with me. Please check out hers. It's gonna be linked down below, and I think you guys will absolutely die and love them. I just want to say this. I love Laura so much. I've been friends with her for the last 5 years, and she's been with me through the thick and the thin, and she's never turned her back on me. And I am so lucky to have a friend like her in my life. I've never thought that I could have someone like that in my life who is truly so selfless and just wants to make sure that everyone around her is taken care of. And that's who she is. And she's the most wonderful person. I don't give a fuck if you don't like her. I will always defend and stand by my best friend, always. I love her so much, and I'm so grateful to have her in my life and to have Tyler and Aaron in my life as well. They're so wonderful, and I'm just grateful to have like someone like that who's honestly, I feel like my soulmate at this point, a friend soulmate. Even like a couple years ago when we went through drama, you know, but we went through it together, and we came out stronger on the other end, and neither of us thought we were gonna ever get there. And I'm so proud to see the people that we've both become over these last couple years. I don't tell her that enough. I don't tell her how amazing she is. I mean, I do, but this is like me just being really open and honest about how incredible of a woman she is. So anyway, this video was wonderful. Back to the giggles. This video was actually hilarious, and I absolutely loved doing it, and she scared the shit out of me. But I can't wait to like kind of play with these things and like kind of put them together. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you guys, don't forget to check out Laura's channel. I'll leave a link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so, so, so much. Hope you guys tonight or day wherever you guys are. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Laura Lee. Why? Don't I say it like that? I don't know. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I'm gay. Okay? I'm gay. Don't fuck me up, Laura. Not too much, please. Please. The Lord's cheaps. I totally forgot I need to fucking call her and be like, I just opened your fucking box. Duh. Where's my telephone? They denied me. I almost shat my pants. I literally said, I'm gonna shit myself right now.
You didn't know they delivered that to my house, and my mailman fucking saw a big ass dildo and delivered it to my house, who sees me every morning.
I don't have color pencils, I don't have markers, I don't have crayons, like, I don't have any of those things because I'm fucking a dumbass puta.